Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet nishai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem Jingkhuit. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
You're a doctor to serve the poor people here. I am suspending you. When the inquiry is initiated, you give your explanation. Eka suspension. I want him relieved right now from here. Ask him to get out for me.
Myntri Jonggatran Kakya Jonga Goa, Vishwajit Rani, like you Jingkhluit. But la Sospon Hangto hi, yo Doktor Rangbah Jonga Goa Medical College and Hospital. Ubalabat de Kakadan Chief Medical Officer Jonga Hospital. Urani, ulayo Jingujo no nong talk kubor ublayatho, but unu Doktor Ukran Behe Yakyao Jongu, Kabuan Sha Sumar Hakanika Hospital. Ulalet ujor bakakiao jong u karan kamban yo injection ru CMO u Dr. Rudrish Kurtikar ulakin hir bar ulong Kilech Community Health Center. Hadim layo ekaniga jing ujor urani ulawan shakanika hospital bar ulakin hir yo Dr. Hakmat ginang ka hospital bar ailat bu Dr. Unkren ni pinshai bar kamadin la hukum beriban Sospon bar pinmi no yako order bar ulabe yo Dr. Bo de ban let no shayim. Kadi video kabalait pad ba ha X.
Are who's the CMO here? CMO kon are? CMO kon? Who's the CMO? Where is the CMO? All of you, where is the CMO? Where is he? Call him. Pass. तू CMO तुका उलोवपाक सारकें रीत येना आतां प्रेसाचो एक मनीस आयिल्लो इंजेक्शन मागपाक यू कॅनॉट गायड हिम प्रॉपरली यू लर्न टू कंट्रोल योर टंग यू आर अ डॉक्टर डोंट फोर्स मी टू एक्ट पुट योर हँड्स आउट फर्स्ट व्हेन यू आर स्टँडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी I generally don't lose my cool but you have to behave yourself however much you are loaded you will talk properly to the patient and guide the patient. Urban health center and चल हांगा चल म्हण तू कित्याक रावला हांगा मागीर कित्या खातीर जॉब घेता गव्हर्मेंटान उलोवपाक रीत आसूंक जाय तुका तूं डॉक्टर तूं मास्क काड पयली म्हाका तोंड पळोवंक जाय तुजें सांबाळून एका सस्पेन्शन ऑर्डर काडा and kick him out from here. These doctors don't understand unless you understand you're here to serve humanity. You're not here with your bloody ego. I am telling you what I'm saying. You are not authorized to speak when I am speaking. You please go. Dusra CMO gala, I'll issue the note for suspension. You get out from here. That's it. Out from here. You're a doctor to serve the poor people here. I am suspending you. When the inquiry is initiated, you give your explanation. Eka suspension. I want him relieved right now from here. Ask him to get out from here. Bhasha how vaparta ekdam naram. And Jamun, I am telling you, you listen. Go home. Go home. You can go home. They let the residents and senior residents. You go home. I am telling you to go home. I am telling you to go home. Eka gara wachun din ale security gurun bayar marto na tuka. Eka bayar kaad hangacha. As the MS, you please see that he is not here on duty today. Send him home just now. You just understand one thing. You are dealing with me. I am telling you. First learn to shut up when I'm talking to you. You can be anything. You want to file a case, go and file a case. But I am telling you, you're suspended from right now. And you go when the investigation starts, you give your explanation. That time I will consider whether I want to take you back or not. Other next 2 years, you'll be suspended and you'll remain as long as my tenure is. Poor people are to be served. I am asking you, telling you only this thing, that poor people are to be served. I don't want to listen to you. When I make up my mind, I don't want to listen. I don't want to listen. I am suspending you from this moment. Go home before my blood pressure boils and I take some other action on you. You will not be in service from. You go from whatever. I also work from morning to night. I want you out from here.
But nobody came.
Eka Watsundi. Eka issue instruction that I have said that he is being placed under suspension. Don't open your mouth when I am talking. Send him right now and issue him a direction that he should not report. I am suspending him right now.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello, Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music, and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.